here with Steve of ToolGuard, and he's going to give us a little rundown on their security product for tools.
Sure, thanks Mark. So basically the ToolGuard product is a standalone toolbox alarm, completely wireless, installed in the lid of your toolbox. Very easy to operate with a small remote that comes with the unit. You arm and disarm it just like an auto alarm, obviously normally with the toolbox closed, and basically if the thief breaks in, tilts the lid, it's going to go off. So we've made that a bit softer for you guys so we don't deafen you or disturb your camera.
Thank you, appreciate that.
No worries.
Thanks so much, Steve, appreciate your time.
Pleasure, thanks Mark.